In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate GoHighLevel into any language, 2026. To follow along, make sure you're signed in to the specific location where you want the language change to apply, and that your user role has permission to edit company settings. This ensures the option we're about to use is visible and that your changes save correctly. Start by opening Settings. You'll find it in the left sidebar. Look for the gear icon labeled Settings. Clicking this opens your workspace configuration area, where you control core preferences for the account. If you manage multiple locations, confirm you're in the correct one before proceeding so the language applies where you expect. Next, locate the company section and find the field called Platform Language. This is the master control for the GoHighLevel interface language. Click the drop-down to open the list of available languages. You can scroll through the options or type in the search box to quickly find your preferred language. Select the one you want to use. A quick note on what this setting does. Platform language changes the system interface across the app. Things like menu labels, buttons, calendar labels, and built-in system text. It's designed to make navigation and day-to-day use more natural for you and your team. It does not automatically translate your custom content, such as funnel copy, website text, email templates, SMS messages, or custom form labels. Those remain exactly as you've written them and can be localized separately when you're ready. Depending on availability, some features or newer sections may update progressively as translations are expanded, so it's normal if you notice occasional English strings in less common areas. When you've chosen your language, click Update to save. Give the page a moment to apply the change. In many cases, you'll see the interface switch right away. If the update doesn't appear immediately, a quick browser refresh usually brings everything in line. After it's applied, browse a few areas, like calendars, conversations, and pipelines, to confirm labels look correct in your selected language. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the platform language option, your user role may not allow edits to company settings. An account admin can enable access or make the change for you. If you manage several sub-accounts or locations, repeat this process in each one where you want a different language. And if your team works across regions, set a clear standard for the chosen language so everyone has a consistent experience. That's all there is to it. With settings, platform language, and update, you can translate your GoHighLevel